Alright, here we go. It's the finished product. Down here is the back wheel. Looks good. And the front wheel. Really nice. So, there it is. Interceptor 800 by Honda. Some of the new mods. Got brand new brakes. Got new Bridgestone Battle Axe performance tires on there. Got the carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon fiber tank pad. We got the Delcovic DS70 dual exhaust with the chrome pipe all the way down. Got an RK chain, new sprockets. There it is. Looks good. You will not see an Interceptor 800 that looks like this. Got all the little carbon fiber paneling, carbon fiber panels, carbon fiber on the exhaust. So there it is. Looks really good with those new wheels. Alright, hit me up, let me know what you think. It's Big B.